everyone, it's Avrey Charles, and today I'm super pumped because we're unboxing history together. I got this awesome LEGO Ideas globe set, and we're not just building a cool globe, we're uncovering the secrets of our world. Look at all these pieces, it's like a treasure chest of history waiting to be discovered. Now, as I start building, I'm not just putting bricks together, I'm connecting with the past. This globe is a tiny version of our planet, and it's going to teach us about oceans, continents, and more. As I'm putting these pieces together, I'm also putting together the story of Earth. Did you know that our planet is covered by about 70% of water? That's a lot of H2O, and these blue bricks right here represent the mighty oceans that cover our world. Check this out. We got the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Each one has its own unique story, and it's so cool to see them all coming together on this globe. Now, let's talk about continents. These are big land masses that make up Earth. There's North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Each continent has its special features in history. But it's not just about building, it's also about learning. We're not just building a globe, we're building our knowledge. And there you have it, folks. We unboxed history, put together an incredible idea of hope, and had a blast learning about our oceans and continents. It's more than just a toy, it's a journey around the world without leaving your home. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Remember, history isn't just in textbooks sometimes. It's in the bricks right in front of you. Until next time, keep building and stay curious.